what is this thing? It just makes you want to get in the back. It's the Ecolo cargo truck, ET4 cargo cruise truck, whatever they call it. But this thing is cool, and it is getting huge attention. And believe it or not, it is an enclosed mobility scooter. Okay, Dash is petrified. It comes with everything you see here. You've got this locking with hydraulic, with your lock. But what is it? It's an Ecolo Connect. They've just made it a little bit longer, right? So this one is 108 inches long, where the regular Connect is 96, I believe. So it's a longer wheelbase. It's got a little bit of a bigger motor in it. It's a 72 volt, so a little bit more incline, but it's an enclosed mobility scooter. If you've been watching, Ecolo line up our certified medical devices. What does this mean? It means that the government, the federal government, has said that this is classified as a medical device. So it's gone through more safety, all the regulations. Excuse me. It's gone through the regulations of a mobility scooter would. So they have the suspension, they've got the structure of it, they've got like the extra beams in the door, so it's all good. But look at it from the front. So why would somebody buy one of these? Like, why would they spend the extra money in the cargo truck? Who's bought these? Why and who? One, they just like it. I mean, who doesn't like a truck? It looks great, but it is only one seat. So let me show you this. Because if you're looking to store more things inside or another person, the cargo truck wouldn't be for you, because it is just, there's no seat in the back like all of the other enclosed mobility scooters. But dimensions, again, are exactly the same as the Connect or the Connect Plus. Same things, you can get steering wheel or handlebars, AC, no AC, and then it just comes in two colors, and those are your choices there. So power locks, power windows, rear backup camera, alarm system. We've got all the specs there. But yeah, so, and who's buying them? Everybody. Young, middle, old. And also we have a promotional company buying these, and they're going to use these for samples to drive around. So that's kind of cool too. And yeah, and we actually have stock. So now you know.